Okay, this is the front front part of that proportional lengths worksheet, and there were a couple of questions left from that, so I wanted to go over them. One of them was problem number 13, and one was 15. So 13, if you look, you've got all these parallel lines. That right there tells me a lot. That tells me, as I draw the rest of the figure in, that it's going to be these little pieces that these parallel lines make are going to be proportional. So I've got an X here and a 12 here, a 21 here, and an 18 here. All I got to do is say X matches up with 12 on the other side the way that 21 matches up with 18. I'm just matching across the parallel lines there. And then if I cross multiply, I get 18x is equal to 21 times 12. And 21 times 12 is equal to 252. 18x is equal to 252. And if I divide both sides by 18, I get x is 14. So that's how you do number 13. You just are saying this goes to this the way that this goes to this. And you just set your proportion up. Remember that if you need to, you can pause the video. I'm trying to move quickly just because there were so many questions that I'm just trying to keep the video short and get a lot on a video. Okay, number 15 was another one. I think this is what I had it written down as 15 for the back, but I think they meant on the front of the back page. So I'm going to do this one. This one, the thing that I'm supposed to notice is that this angle up here is bisected. And if you look, they mark it like this, and then they put another little mark here to show you those two angles are equal. When that happens, you have this is that angle bisector theorem. You should look at your course sites to write the angle bisector theorem down in your theorem booklet so that you could use it on a test. And the way this goes is that this 5 here is going to be proportional to the x on the side with it, as this 8 here would be proportional to its side, x plus 6. There are other ways you could set that up, but basically you'll know if you set it up right if when you cross multiply you get 8x one way and then 5 times x plus 6 the other way. So that's going to be 8x is equal to 5x plus 30. Don't forget to distribute to the second number. Subtract 5x from both sides. And you get 3x is equal to 30. If you divide by 3 on both sides, you'd get x equal 10.